Allora, Jason at Jordanbikes, look at this belter, Moto Guzzi Stone. This is the V7 version, is this? It's beautiful. It is pretty much brand spanking new. New on the 14th of April 2018, one owner bike and done 119 miles, 119. It is absolutely spotless and it's lovely. Shaft drive, got traction and ABS. Really cool, 750V twin. Just absolutely cool as hell is this matte green paint. You can see up there. 119 miles is all it's done. Absolutely spotless. I'll give it a start for you. Sounds absolutely cracking and they're brilliant fun to ride, are these. So come on down to Jordanbikes and take a look for yourself or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.